Fuel inspection in North Miami Beach, conducted by SeaMeDive for Green Coastal Engineering. The date is October 12th, 2020. We're looking at pre-stressed concrete panel wall with king piles and batter piles. And there's also a dock about 20 by 6 with 3 marine grade green lumber piling. What was observed prior to this video is some rusting and spalling of the panels in the center point, probably where the grab holes were for the panels. There's one batter pile that appears to have not been embedded into the berm. Half of it is kind of hanging, and the water is pretty deep here. It's over 20 feet. Along the wall there is a small foot, but it is not substantial. The wall is stable. The wall is pretty, probably was constructed in the recent 5 years. No major structural issues were observed in the pre-inspection. And now we're going to take a video of the lower and mid sections of seawall. So hold on. Going back east, we reached the westmost corner of the property. concludes the video. Thank you.